Computational Innovations for Multi-Axis Additive. I am Matt Campbell at Oregon State University and in the Design Engineering Lab. And today I want to tell you about parabolic slicing. So here is a chess piece, a knight, that is created without supports because instead of slicing on flat planes, we're slicing on parabola. Notice the parabola cutting through the face of the horse there. And then here we are determining the G-code paths that are to be followed on each of those parabolic slice planes. We're doing both perimeter and then infill. Finally, I'd like to show you the actual printing. So here is a modified Voron printer at various stages in the printing of the knight. Speed up a little bit here, and as we approach that chin, you can see by tilting over, we avoid any problems with overhang. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for conical to cylindrical and adaptive quadric slicing. Visit our website here or contact me directly if you're interested in collaborating or learning more.